So a couple of the things that we've done that we want to note is the hardware. This customer decided while we're in here to take advantage and upgrade the hardware. They had nickel before. They really want to create that pop, so they went with the oiled bronze. You can also see here they did the light fixture in the breakfast nook, sorry. In the living room, we had some issues with house settling. Every year, these seams on the ceiling would open up. Customer would continuously have to repair them, and they would never stay closed. So what we came up with is these beams to combat that. So that was an out-of-pocket upgrade from the customer. They decided, hey, while we're in here, let's take advantage of it. Let's get as much done as we can. We also did the baseboards. So they kind of had the old school, 3.5-inch baseboard. We really like the dramatic effect of the taller baseboard. These are 5 1/4, very affordable. And since we had to do all the baseboards anyways, there was some money there from the insurance to remove and replace the old. Customer took advantage of that, put a little on top, and then there we go. We got the new baseboards. Also, bay window. This was kind of boring over here, it almost looked like somebody just threw it together. So we came up with a great idea. Now this is raw red oak. I'll actually be doing the finish on this later today. Hopefully you guys will get to see our befores and afters on this because this will be very, very beautiful. A great accent piece to their breakfast nook. And so like I said, we've got just a couple more weeks here and we'll be wrapping it up. One more thing I want to mention is the paint. The paint was included in all the reconstruction from the insurance. Again, customer took advantage, switched a color, updated, more trendy color to the house. We appreciate you joining us on site today.